All right, standing outside a house flip that we had previously listed, then pulled off the market, and now we're listing again. So we'll talk about why we did that, how our plan didn't work out like we thought the first time, and what we did to make this house better. This is one of our 17 flips we have going right now, so it's been a little crazy lately with keeping all the contractors in line and work going and prioritizing projects, but we're working through it all. So this house, when we bought it, have a lot of videos of it I'll show you and link to you below, but it was a rental and it wasn't in bad shape, but we had some stucco damage here, some stucco damage in the back, and the flooring was bad inside. The paint wasn't amazing. There's still a few things we need to do to touch up, like this front door is pretty ugly still. And we decided to put the house on the market as it was for $199.9. And we didn't get any offers, so we lowered the price to $187.9, got an offer right away, and they ended up backing out because of financing. So we still weren't getting much action, and we decided, let's just fix it up a little bit, make it look a little nicer, and then we'll try selling it that way. So I mean, this house is probably worth $240 to $250, completely fixed up, in perfect shape, with the basement done. So we thought there was room for an investor to come in and buy it at the below $200,000, so just nothing in that price range available, but we were wrong. And it just goes to show, this is kind of a college rental, so it'd be great for a parent to buy it for their college kids. We still need to clean up the tub, and there's a slight, that shower isn't working well, so a few things to do, but it's mostly done. It's a college town, great for someone to buy for their college student instead of paying rent. But you find that people are very emotional with houses. So even though the numbers kind of made sense, it was a great deal for that situation, people still didn't like it because it was ugly, it didn't look very good. So we came through and we refinished the hardwood. So you can see it's much better. We painted everything, replaced some of the light fixtures, and we redid the flooring in the kitchen. This had tile in it before, and this is some bulk flooring we had from Home Depot. We have a ton of it, and so we used that. Very cheap, we already had it, easy to install. The cabinets we left, the counter we left, we need to figure out a better way for the power strip to not be hanging there. So just overall, it looks much better than it did before. And it's amazing how just, I mean, really, $5,000 in work can add $20,000 or $30,000 in value. And we thought we'd be able to sell it quick because we'd still make money on it. We bought it for $130, but we're wrong. And back here, there were stucco holes as well. And so we got all those patched. Oh, we need that light up there still. This is why we always do walkthroughs before we relist them, because we always find more stuff that needs done. That fence doesn't need to be laying there. And so we'll get this one back on the market, and hopefully it will sell fast now. So we spent maybe another, like I said, $7,000 on this work, paint, floors, other touch-up stuff. And we're going to be listing it not at the $240 or $250 because we didn't do much to the basement. So we'll show you the basement here. Basement would take quite a bit to finish it, so we still need to clean it up, but it basically looks the same as it did before. So the value in fixing the basement, you know, take it another $20,000 to do everything. Oh, we did replace the furnace too. That's a brand new furnace. And might add another $30,000 in value. Plus the time it takes, and there's always the unknowns. We figured that window's on order. That just better to leave the basement as it is, let the new owners finish it or redo it if they want to. But with the upstairs looking nice, it should have no problem getting, you know, $220 probably, and selling much quicker and faster than it was before. So that's the house. Again, it's Mark Ferguson with investformore.com. We have almost all of our flips on investformore.com/flips. Over 80 properties on there from the last 3 years that we've redone with before and after videos. So check that out. Of course, we have Fix and Flip Your Way to Financial Freedom, my book on flipping, which talks about this whole process: buying, financing, repairing, selling, managing properties as well on Amazon. That's audiobook, paperback, and Kindle. So check those out, and we always appreciate the thumbs up and the comments and subscribers. Well, thanks for watching. We'll have a lot more videos coming up soon, and we'll be back for more.